Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to make our national bird peacock. So let's get started.
So for that you need a 26 by 13 sheet of paper. Now fold it in half. Unfold. Now take this edge line over here. Fold it to this crease over here. Now make the crease hard. Unfold. Now take this edge line and fold it to this crease. Press it hard. Now unfold. Now rotate the page. Now take this edge line, fold it to this edge line over here. Make the crease. Unfold. Now we will make a crease over here. So we will take this crease over here and fold it like this. Unfold. Now flip it over. Now we will just fold it down and make a triangle at the top part of the paper. Press it hard. Now take this flap, open it from the bottom. Now smash it down. Align the creases. And then fold the sides. Now we will take this edge line over here and fold it to this crease over here. Like this. Now we will do the same over here. Make sure the tip is sharp enough, pointed enough. Now unfold the flaps, open it and reverse fold and make it a reverse fold. From this side too. Now put it upwards and fold the bottom part. Now make it towards downside. So you can see we have make a diamond shape Now we will do the same for this flap too. First fold it like this, then take that flap and fold it to the crease. Do the same to this side too. Now open it and fold it inside like this. And put it upwards. Now make the bottom part pointed and fold it downwards. Flip it over so you can see this part is ready till now. Then make this part upwards a bit. Now we will form the legs. For that, fold it like this towards the right side. Now unfold. Open it from this side. Now fold it inside. With the help of the creases, you can now fold it easily to the inside. Do the same over here. Fold it to your left. Make a crease. Then unfold. Fold it inside. So our both legs are ready. Now fold this flap down. Sorry, keep it upwards. Now make this edge line to the center crease over here like this. Fold it. Put both the legs to this side now, to the right side. Now take this edge line and fold it to the center crease. And fold it. Now lift it up. Take a point over here and fold it till this point. A valley fold. Make sure you make a valley fold like this. Just first point it and put it over. Make sure the tip points to the crease over there and fold it. Now unfold. So you get a crease over here. Now take this edge line and form a crease at the center like this. Press it. Unfold. Now take this edge line over here again. Fold it to this crease over here. Unfold. Make this valley fold a mountain fold, then fold it over there to that crease over and fold it. We will make a zigzag pattern over here. So like this we will fold it. We will go on folding it like this. Now the last fold. And the zigzag pattern has been formed. So now flip it over. Now we will take this point over here and make a diagonal. So first take this point and fold it to this point, form a diagonal over there like this. First pinch it over here, then just bend the page and fold it at the center and pinch it. So now fold it across like this, so you get a diagonal. Now we will form the same over here. Pinch it over here first. Now fold it down and pinch at the center again. Now make the crease, so you get this crease over here, a diagonal crease. Now take this all together till here. Now we will fold it from here with the help of your index finger. Just give a pressure at the center. Now you can easily fold it down, so you can see it forms like this. Now just make there a valley over there from corner to corner valley. And bring it together with those zigzag pattern. Now pinch it over there and you are ready till now, but we will first now make the tail. So for that just press it over at the point and bring all together like this. Now we will glue over here. So take a Fevistick and apply it on both the sides like this. Now join them and press it so that it get stuck easily, get joined easily. Now press it all over. Now we will make so you can see the body is ready, the tail is ready. Now we will make the neck and the face of the peacock. So we will fold it upwards. For that, fold it down like this. First make a crease. Now fold it upwards. Now open it from the bottom at the center point. Now press it over there and flip it over. So you can see the neck is forming. Just make it a tilt a bit. Now after making that, again fold it down from the top a bit for the face like this and press it from the both the sides. So the face is ready. After that, we will make the legs same. Open it from the bottom. Now fold it towards the front like this and press it. Do the same on the other leg too. And press it. So we are done. You can see it can stand also. And if you want to open the tail, so like this, give it a pressure from the back and just lift it up. You can see our peacock is ready. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest videos like this. Peace.